let's start our latest topic, that is menstruation cycle. Before going to discuss about the menstrual cycle, we should know the reproductive system of the human beings. The reproductive system of the human beings is divided into two parts or two set of organ: primary sex organ and secondary sex organ. Primary sex organ, that is ovary, and secondary sex organ, that is fallopian tube, uterus, external genitalia, vagina, and mammary glands. The ovary which produces the ova, in fallopian tubes, the ampulla, there is a fertilization takes place and development of embryo, which is in the body of the uterus. And vagina, it is a copulatory passage, or it is a passage for the menstruation also, and it is also passage during the parturition. It is also a passage for the birth. It is also one type of birth canal. So this is all about the reproductive system of female. Then we are going to start on the lecture on menstrual cycle. The menstrual cycle is nothing but it is a monthly rhythmic series that accompanied physiological changes in ovary, uterus, vagina, and cervix for the preparation of mature ova and eggs for the fertilization, and some changes also occurs side by side, that is the secondary sexual characters like development of breast, pubic hairs, and body posture. Such type of changes which is occurs in the month wise period, that cycle is known as a menstrual cycle. The menstrual cycle, the short form of the menstrual cycle is nothing but the MC. The menstrual cycle is lasts for about 28 days. It may be 32 days, it may be 35 days, it may be 40 days, and it may be 22 days also. There is no problem. इसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होता है. This is not irregularity. This means it occurs in some female. In some female, menstrual cycle may be 22 days. In next month, it may be 25. It may be 28. It may be 35. It depends upon the physical health and diet, as well as it depends upon the endocrinological imbalance, hormonal imbalance, and some environmental changes. It happens. Don't worry about the late period. So if the period occurs before, that means the before 22 days, it may be occurs in 10 days, or it may be occurs after 55 days. This period is known as a irregular period, and it has some problems to the reproductive system of that female. So you have to check, you have to contact your family doctor, and without any hesitation, you have to say that my cycle is irregular. Then he will advise you, and your cycle will be regular. Okay. So next term, that is the menarche. Menarche means it is a starting of menstrual cycle. That means the menstrual cycle will start at the age of 11 to 14, and it may be depends on the physical health of that girls and diet of the girls, what she taking. And menopause means is nothing but it is the end of the menstrual cycle. That means the menstruation stop, and it occurs at the age of 40 to 45 or 45 or 55 years old. Then there are 4 phases of the menstrual cycle. But broadly speaking, there are two phases of menstrual cycle. Before ovulation phase, that is a follicular phase, and after ovulation phase, that is known as a luteal phase. This cycle is lasts for about 28 days. In 28 days, there are four phases of menstrual cycle. First phase is menstruation phase. Second phase is proliferative phase or follicular phase, or it is also known as a pre-ovulatory phase. And third phase is ovulatory phase, and fourth phase is luteal phase or secretory phase. In the first phase of menstrual cycle, it is lasts for about 1 to 5 days. Look at the diagram, it is lasts for about 1 to 5 days. Second phase, that is a proliferative or follicular phase or pre-ovulatory phase, it is lasts for about 6 to 11 days. And ovulation phase or ovulatory phase, it is lasts for about 12 to 16 days. And last phase, that is a luteal phase, it is lasts for about 17 to 18 days, 28 days. Okay. Then in this phase, that means it depends upon the hormonal imbalance. The time may be short, time may be long of the menstruation cycle. That is, it may be short time, that means the 22 days. It may be long, that is the 40 days up to 40 days. And the menstruation, which consists in the changes of ovary, uterus, and it is due to the gonadal hormones, that is the follicle stimulating hormones and luteinizing hormones. Then look at the diagram. This is a cycle. This cycle, which has 1 to 5 days, that is called a menstrual phase. This phase is known as a menstruation phase. Second phase is proliferative or ovulatory phase or follicular phase. Third phase is ovulatory phase, and fourth phase is luteal phase. This diagram is most essential in the examination point of view. And this diagram, with the help of diagrams, we can explain the all details about the menstruation cycle. First, there is a cycle is divided into two half. First is follicular phase. Second half is luteal phase. That means before the ovulation, follicular phase. After ovulation, that is luteal phase. What happens? In particular, four phases. First phase, that is a menstruation phase, the menses occurs. It is due to the lining of uterus. Second phase, that is the lining of the uterus become thickening. And third phase, that is the ovulation, what takes place. And fourth phase, that is a luteal phase. In this phase, the lining of uterus become thickening and it breakdowns. This is the first phase, menstruation phase. In this phase, the menses occurs. It is due to the rupture of endometrium. The wall of the uterus, which is shed its inner lining, that is known as the endometriums. And due to rupture of the endometrium, the menses which occurs. The menses which occurs till 5 days, or some woman, female, it may be 4 days or so. So the menstruation blood does not clot because it is due to proteolytic and fibrinolytic enzymes in it. उस मेंसेस ब्लड में, वो ब्लीडिंग में प्रोटियोलिटिक और फाइब्रोलिटिक एंजाइम्स एंटीकोएगुलेंट होने की वजह से दिस मेंसेस ब्लड डज नॉट क्लॉट. व्हाई मेंसेस ऑकर्स? क्यों होता है मेंसेस ऑकर? क्यों होता है? इट इज ड्यू टू द स्ट्रॉन्ग वासोकंस्ट्रिक्शन. इट इज ड्यू टू द वासोकंस्ट्रिक्शन. स्ट्रॉन्ग वासोकंस्ट्रिक्शन क्यों होता है? कि ड्यू टू द सिक्रीशन ऑफ हाई FSH, that is the follicle stimulating hormones. the follicle stimulating hormone which is secreted by the hypothalamus. Then this, due to the FSH, the follicles start to grow and the endometriums which ruptured. Then this phase is known as a menstruation phase. And in menstruation phase, the menses occurs which containing endometrial tissues, glandular secretion and blood vessels. During this phase, in definition we will say that there is a changes in uterus, vagina, then fallopian tubes, then secondary sexual characters, then cervix. Also, there is such type of changes which occurs during the menstruation cycle. In menstruation phase, endometrium become thin and shrinkage due to the strong vasoconstriction and proteolytic activities. As the endometrium become very thin and shrinkage, it start rupturing its blood cells and menses occurs. And the menses which contain the endometrial cells, glandular secretion and blood vessel. And it is due to the low secretion of estrogen hormones. The estrogen hormones which is secreted by the endocrine glands. That is a then such type of endometrial changes, then necros endometrium is shed and blood which oozes out from the body. That period is known as a menstrual phase. Second phase, that is a proliferative phase or follicular phase. Proliferative phase मतलब this phase में एंडोमेट्रियम प्रोलिफरेट होते हैं, इसीलिए इसे इस फेज को प्रोलिफरेटिव फेज बोलते हैं. Why this phase is called a follicular phase? Because the follicles start to grow. Primary follicles convert into secondary follicles and secondary converted into mature follicles. इसलिए इसे follicular phase बोलते हैं. और follicular phase is also known as a pre-ovulatory phase. Pre-ovulatory phase means before the ovulation, this phase which occurs, that's why this phase is known as a pre-ovulatory phase. This endometrium has been desquamated. Later, endometrium start healing and then proliferate. That's why this phase is known as a proliferative phase. It is occurs under the influence of estrogen. There is a growth of simple tubular glands and blood vessels, and endometrium thickens it about 3 to 5 mm in size. And this endometrium, the endometrium glands which produces the mucus. Then due to rise of follicles, due to rise of follicular stimulating hormones, this is the one type of gonadotrophic hormones, follicle stimulating hormones. नाम में ही लिखा है follicle stimulating hormones. That means what is its role? It stimulates the follicles during the first day of the cycle, and several follicles are stimulated. If several follicles जैसे stimulate होते हैं, the follicles start to reach its maturity. That mature follicles is known as Graafian follicles. As they mature, जैसे ही वो mature हो जाते हैं, follicles secrete increasing amount of estrogen, which thickens the wall, which thicken the functional layer of the endometrium in the uterus. And estrogen also stimulate the crypts in the cervix to produce the fertile cervical mucuses. Such type of changes which takes place into the follicular phase. Follicular phase means follicles start to grow. Pre-ovulatory phase मतलब before ovulation होता है, इसलिए pre-ovulatory. Proliferative मतलब endometrium proliferate That's why this phase is the most important phase, and this is a safe period for the copulation. That means no pregnancy occurs during the phase. And third phase, the most important phase in the fertile woman life of the fertile woman. जो भी फर्टाइल लेडीज है उनके लाइफ में सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट फेज दैट इज द ओवुलेटरी फेज. ओवुलेशन होना इट इज अ साइन ऑफ फर्टिलिटी. प्रॉपर हुआ, मैच्योर हुआ, डेवलप होना, प्रोड्यूस होना ओवरी से, ये उसी फीमेल की एक आइडेंटिटी. दिस इज अ आइडेंटिटी ऑफ फर्टिलिटी. दिस इज अ आइडेंटिटी, दिस इज आइडेंटिकल वुमन, दिस इज अ साइन ऑफ फर्टिलिटी. ये होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. अदरवाइज हुआ, मैच्योर हुआ, अगर होता नहीं है, मेंस्ट्रुएशन नहीं होता है, तो इट दैट मीन्स द फीमेल नॉट फर्टाइल, शी मे बी स्टराइल. तो ओवुलेटरी फेज इज मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट in the life of female life, in the life of female human being. Okay. ओवुलेटरी फेज में क्या होता है? फर्स्ट फेज में देखा है मेंसेस होता है. सेकंड फेज में देखा है कि फॉलिकल स्टार्ट होते हैं प्राइमरी से, सेकेंडरी से टर्शियरी मैच्योर होता है. अब मैच्योर फॉलिकल जो है, तो मैच्योर फॉलिकल्स विच इज रप्चर्ड, दैट इज कॉल्ड ग्राफियन फॉलिकल्स. The Graafian follicles named after the discoverer, that is the Graafian. Graph, the name of the graph. The Graafian follicles. Graafian follicle जैसे ही रप्चर्ड होता है, क्यों होते हैं? It is due to rise in the level of estrogen. एस्ट्रोजन की लेवल बढ़ जाती है और साथ में हाई लेवल ऑफ LH, ल्यूटिनाइजिंग हार्मोन्स also हाई लेवल होता है. देन ओवुलेशन which triggers only in 2 days, and this period is also known as a mid cycle phase. क्योंकि मिड साइकिल फेज क्यों है? फॉलिकुलर फेज और लुटियल फेज के बीच वाला पीरियड, दैट इज कॉल्ड ए मिड साइकिल फेज. इस पीरियड में ओवा इज रिलीज फ्रॉम द सरफेस ऑफ द ओवरी, एंड दिस ओवा or this eggs can be survive up to 24 days. 24 days के बाद वो जो ओवा है, वो जो एग्स है, cannot survive, it may be die. Such phase is most important because the mature ova which release from the ovary, and this mature ova is ready for the fertilization. If copulation takes place, copulation अगर होता है, if the couple wants to their baby, then copulation अगर होता है तो mature sperms and mature ova unite होता है and then fertilize into the ampulla of the fertilization of the fallopian tubes. fallopian tubes 20 सेंटीमीटर तक लंबाई होती है. ओवा ओवरी से रिलीज होने के बाद फॉलोपियन ट्यूब के एम्पुला में चले आता है. इधर से अगर मेल रिप्रोडक्टिव गैमेट्स दैट इज स्पर्म्स अगर कम इन कॉन्टैक्ट विद द मैच्योर ओवा, देन गेट फर्टिलाइज. दैट मीन्स देयर इज अ चांस ऑफ प्रेगनेंसी इन द ओवुलेटरी फेज. इफ फिर जो एम्प्टी फॉलिकल्स होते हैं, रिमेनिंग फॉलिकल्स, एम्प्टी फॉलिकल्स, एक फॉलिकल ग्राफियन फॉलिकल्स रप्चर्ड, बाकी के जो भी रिमेनिंग फॉलिकल्स बचे हैं, विद दैट द रिमेनिंग फॉलिकल्स विच ट्रांसफॉर्म इनटू द कार्पस लुटियम. कार्पस लुटियम ये एक येलो कलर बॉडी है. येलो कलर बॉडी दैट इज नोन एज ए कार्पस लुटियम. And this corpus luteum which releases the hormones, that is the progesterone hormones, as well as along with the low level of estrogen hormones. दो प्रकार के secretion होते हैं. That's why this phase is known as a secretory phase. Post ovulatory phase क्यों बोलते हैं? Because it occurs after the ovulation. That's why it is known as a post ovulation phase बोलते हैं. Secretory क्यों बोलते हैं कि कार्पस luteum which releases the progesterone along with the low estrogen, and during this phase the lining of the uterus become thickened and ready for the fertilization. अगर fertilization अगर हुआ है, अगर fertilization अगर होता है तो these times the stage in these stages the fertilization which takes place. अगर fertilization नहीं होता है, if fertilization does not takes place, then the carpus luteum will degenerate into carpus albicans. Carpus luteum will degenerate into carpus albicans. That means such type of changes which occurs into the 4 phases of menstrual cycle. I hope you are getting well all about the phases of menstrual cycle. Carpus luteum, in the luteal phase, carpus luteum remains active till placenta starts secretion of HCG. HCG, that is a human chorionic gonadotropin hormones. It is similar to the LH, that is luteinizing hormones. If carpus luteum become inactive before placenta formation, अगर inactive होता है carpus luteum before placentation, it leads into abortion. If the ovum is not fertilized, the carpus luteum which degenerate and transform into the whitish body, that is known as a carpus albicans. Then there is a change in uterus. Carpus luteum form in the ovary, secrete progesterone. It causes further growth of endometrial cells or endometrial glands. If fertilization occurs, embryo is implanted in the thickened endometrium. Such type of changes which is occurs into the menstrual cycle, and menstrual cycle, this is a good sign of fertility. Menstrual cycle is nothing but the reproductive cycle of the female. Thank you. Dear student, like, share my channel and comments the topic which you want to cover from me, and you have to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much.